I want to do a video here on my LRRP M16A1 build. And to start off with, the gun I used is a Dominion Arms made AR15. They call it the DA556. And it's made by Norenco, but they were distributed in Canada by Dominion Arms. And it's about the closest thing to an M16A1 that you can still get. They even come with the 1 in 12 rifling on them. This one has the 1 in 9 rifling just because that's the way I ordered it. And the parts I used to turn it into the M16A1 is this original set of Vietnam furniture, the buttstock, the grip, and the handguards. And the buttstock is the type without the trap in the butt door, or the trap in the buttstock. And I put the cleaning rods on the handguard because they always seem to do that. And there's no sling because reading in the LRRP book, it says they didn't want to put slings on them because they always wanted to keep their guns at the ready, so I just left the sling off. The magazine I used is an old original Colt one. The bolt carrier group is the phosphated or Parkerized type. That's why these Norenco made guns are closer to the original, because most of the parts are made just like the original ones were, the A1s. And then I just put some stuff on the table that here's some of my patches that are from different recon and LRRP groups from the United States. And then they always seem to wear these heavy bush gloves, I guess for thorns and all, clearing brush and all that stuff. So I kept an old pair of those because they kind of look like what they used. So there's really not much other than that. Just wanted to show my build real quick. So thanks to all the guys who served in Vietnam, and thank you for watching.